How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in USA.
Where do you live?
I live in USA.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
What's your hobby?
I like reading books.
What's your hobby?
I like reading books.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a car?
No, I have a bike.
Do you have a car?
No, I have a bike.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is pink.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite is pink.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's eat.
Are you hungry?
Yes, let's eat.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
Do you like music?
Yes, very much.
Where is your office?
It's in the city center.
Where is your office?
It's in the city center.
Is your job hard?
Sometimes, but I like it.
Is your job hard?
Sometimes, but I like it.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I rest.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, here you go.
What's your major?
I study computer science.
What's your major?
I study computer science.
Is the school far?
No, it's quite near.
Is the school far?
No, it's quite near.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, just now.
Did you finish your work?
Yes, just now.
Are you on holiday?
Yes, for a week.
Are you on holiday?
Yes, for a week.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Rahim is my boss.
Who is your boss?
Mr. Rahim is my boss.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
What's the matter?
Nothing, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept soundly.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept soundly.
What did you say?
I said hello.
What did you say?
I said hello.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shop.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please do.
Can I sit here?
Yes, please do.
Do you know him?
No, he's a stranger.
Do you know him?
No, he's a stranger.
Shall we go?
Yes, let's go.
Shall we go?
Yes, let's go.
Where is the station?
2 blocks straight ahead.
Where is the station?
2 blocks straight ahead.
Is it far?
No, just a 5-minute walk.
Is it far?
No, just a 5-minute walk.
Can I park here?
No, it's a towaway zone.
Can I park here?
No, it's a towaway zone.
Window or aisle?
Window seat, please.
Window or aisle?
Window seat, please.
Do you have a map?
No, I use my phone.
Do you have a map?
No, I use my phone.
Is the bus late?
Yes, by 10 minutes.
Is the bus late?
Yes, by 10 minutes.
Where's the restroom?
Down the hall on the left.
Where's the restroom?
Down the hall on the left.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead and sit.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead and sit.
When do we arrive?
Around 6 p.m.
When do we arrive?
Around 6 p.m.
Do you need a lift?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Do you need a lift?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Where is the exit?
Behind that red sign.
Where is the exit?
Behind that red sign.
Is it safe here?
Yes, it's a quiet area.
Is it safe here?
Yes, it's a quiet area.
Can I use a card?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Can I use a card?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Is there a taxi stand?
Right outside the main gate.
Is there a taxi stand?
Right outside the main gate.
Do I need a visa?
Yes, for most countries.
Do I need a visa?
Yes, for most countries.
How's the traffic?
It's a total mess today.
How's the traffic?
It's a total mess today.
Is the hotel nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Is the hotel nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Can you show me?
Sure, follow me.
Can you show me?
Sure, follow me.
Did you pack light?
No, I have 3 bags.
Did you pack light?
No, I have 3 bags.
Are you hungry?
Starving, let's eat.
Are you hungry?
Starving, let's eat.
Coffee or tea?
Black coffee, no sugar.
Coffee or tea?
Black coffee, no sugar.
Is it spicy?
Yes, quite a kick.
Is it spicy?
Yes, quite a kick.
Can I have the bill?
Certainly, one moment.
Can I have the bill?
Certainly, one moment.
Do you like sushi?
I love it.
Do you like sushi?
I love it.
Any allergies?
Just to peanuts.
Any allergies?
Just to peanuts.
How is the steak?
Cooked to perfection.
How is the steak?
Cooked to perfection.
Salt or pepper?
Both, please.
Salt or pepper?
Both, please.
Is water free?
Yes, tap water is free.
Is water free?
Yes, tap water is free.
Do you take cash?
No, card only.
Do you take cash?
No, card only.
Want dessert?
I'm too full, thanks.
Want dessert?
I'm too full, thanks.
How's the soup?
A bit too salty.
How's the soup?
A bit too salty.
Is there a vegan option?
Yes, the garden salad.
Is there a vegan option?
Yes, the garden salad.
Can I get a refill?
Sure, it's on the house.
Can I get a refill?
Sure, it's on the house.
Did you cook this?
No, it's a takeout.
Did you cook this?
No, it's a takeout.
Is the milk fresh?
Yes, bought it today.
Is the milk fresh?
Yes, bought it today.
How much is this?
It's $60.
How much is this?
It's $60.
Does it fit?
No, it's too tight.
Does it fit?
No, it's too tight.
Any discount?
Sorry, price is fixed.
Any discount?
Sorry, price is fixed.
Where's the mall?
Next to the library.
Where's the mall?
Next to the library.
Do you have a small?
Let me check the back.
Do you have a small?
Let me check the back.
Is it on sale?
Yes, 50% off.
Is it on sale?
Yes, 50% off.
Can I return this?
Only with a receipt.
Can I return this?
Only with a receipt.
Where's the fitting room?
Right behind you.
Where's the fitting room?
Right behind you.
Do you sell stamps?
No, try the post office.
Do you sell stamps?
No, try the post office.
Is it expensive?
Yes, it's a luxury brand.
Is it expensive?
Yes, it's a luxury brand.
Can I pay later?
No, payment up front.
Can I pay later?
No, payment up front.
Is this real leather?
Yes, 100% genuine.
Is this real leather?
Yes, 100% genuine.
Where's the ATM?
Beside the grocery store.
Where's the ATM?
Beside the grocery store.
Do you have change?
Sorry, only big bills.
Do you have change?
Sorry, only big bills.
Is it high quality?
Yes, it lasts years.
Is it high quality?
Yes, it lasts years.
Want a bag?
No, I brought my own.
Want a bag?
No, I brought my own.
What's the total?
That'll be $14.50.
What's the total?
That'll be $14.50.
Is the shop open?
It closes at 8 p.m.
Is the shop open?
It closes at 8 p.m.
Do you work here?
No, I'm a customer.
Do you work here?
No, I'm a customer.